Hello everybody, welcome back to CNS Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. I gotta tell you, I have found a little product that has made my life a little bit easier. It's nothing that I sell, it's nothing that I make, but it's something that solves one of the most frustrating problems we have when we as Corvette owners try to clean our cars. It's inexpensive, it's a great stocking stuffer for Christmas, and I'm just going to show it to you so that you can make one of your Corvette friends or family members happy this holiday. As the weather has cooled off down here in Florida, I have been spending a lot more time detailing my cars because I truly enjoy doing it, and when I'm not sweating to death, it's a lot more enjoyable. One of the few things that I have difficulty doing with any of my cars, and especially my Corvette, is cleaning the inside of the windshield properly. Now, you've probably noticed this too, that especially on cars that get driven once or twice a week, as opposed to every day, you get kind of this haze on the inside of your windshield, and you end up, you can do the Windex thing with the paper towel or the microfiber, but the problem is down at the base of your windshield, even me with 3-foot long arms basically, I can't get my hand all the way up there. And so I did a little research and it was like, somebody has to have solved this problem. And oddly enough, a lot of people have. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This guy. Now, this normally has a green microfiber cloth on it, which you'll see when I show you how you use it on the car, but because it's green, it wouldn't show up with the green screen behind me. So here it is black. This guy. Now, this guy is made specifically for reaching the places that you can't reach. So you put the microfiber on here, and it gets down above your HUD, above all that stuff, right down to the base of the windshield. And I used it the other day for the first time because obviously I wanted to do a little, self-test before I talk to you guys about it. This company, this is available on Amazon. It's like $17 for the kit. You get this extendable handle. You get like 3 or 4 of the microfibers. You get a nanofiber cover, which is specifically for when you're using glass cleaner and not just water. You get a sponge. You get a little squirt bottle. I'll tell you what, this is a neat kit for what amounts to $17 delivered to your door. And I just wanted to bring it to your attention because this solved a really bothersome but stupid problem that I have been dealing with for years, and it works great. So let's go over to the car, and I'm going to kind of show you how this works. So I've swedged myself into the C6 Grand Sport that we currently have in the showroom to show you how this works. You'll notice I have also affixed the green microfiber to my little washing handle. And basically the way this works is they include a little squeegee bottle, and they recommend for this microfiber that you just use water. So I've filled our little bottle with water. We're going to make that a little bit wet. And then you twist to unlock and extend like so. And now I can go down and I can get all the way down here to the base of the windshield and clean off all of the schmutz and all of the haze and everything else without breaking my back and without hurting anything in the car. And then when you're done with this, you can put it in the wash machine and clean it. If you want to use, and then you just twist it and collapse it down for easy storage. If you're going to use window cleaner instead of just water, then they actually give you what they call the nanofiber cover. Very, very fine, and that's what you use if you're going to use window cleaner. But this just seemed like such a nice thing because, I can't get my hand far enough to get the bottom, and it's so frustrating when you've just detailed your car, but you got this like line of haze along the bottom of your windshield. This solves it, and I'm very happy with it. So again, they're not sponsoring me. I'm not selling this. There is a link to it below this video in the description, just so that if you do want this or you want to get it for somebody for Christmas, you can, and just click on it and you can buy it from Amazon. Again, they aren't asking me to do this. I'm doing this. Also, while we're here, don't forget, we do have our new beautiful carbon fiber and leather automatic shift knobs for the C6 06 through 13 Corvette, readily available on our website. It's a really beautiful piece. It took 2 years of development. Another great stocking stuffer for your favorite Corvette person who has a C6 automatic. Now, if you're a go big or go home type of person when it comes to Christmas, you can not only buy the window squeegee that I just showed you for cleaning, you can actually have this entire 2012 3LT Grand Sport convertible, 22,000 original mile car, red and black interior, all the goodies currently on auction at bringatrailer.com. Bidding ends this Thursday, so if you're interested in having a really nice example of a 2012 Grand Sport, this would be a great Christmas present too. So that's just our little video today of something neat that I found that was a helpful tool that hopefully you'll find helpful too. Again, I'm not being sponsored by these people. I just thought it was a great idea and it made my life easier cleaning my car. Again, the link to that kit, the cleaning kit, is down below in the item description under the video. Also, I've included a link to the Bring a Trailer auction for the 2012 Grand Sport down there if you are interested. I hope you find this useful and helpful. I sure did when I was doing my cars this weekend. We'll see you soon.